Roll the film.
Started on you a garden yet? Let me see if I can influence you to do so, you feel me? Straight up. It's time to start on you a garden, baby. I promise it will be your therapy. And if you run into some problems, baby, hey, just know that you can call on me. It's time to start on you a garden, baby. I promise it will be your therapy.
Dude, look at the picture.
And if you run into some
Look how
problems,
happy
baby,
he is.
just know that you can call on me. I start up a garden. I'm putting them seeds down in the dirt. Don't know what to call it, but it's my therapy when I'm hurt.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
We're starting to kick it. That should have been a 3-minute one.
That was worthy of a 3-minute talk.
That should have been a 3-minute talk. Bastard.
I love it. On to the next one.
Wait.
Oh yeah. So.
Look, there's a fucking.
Oh yeah.
You've probably seen this. So we had some tornadoes recently in fucking Texas and one in NOLA near the 9th Ward.
Really? There was a fucking tornado out there?
It killed one person and like destroyed a fuck ton of shit.
That's exactly what they need.
Dude, in the 9th Ward, man, everything is already fucked, and then they get a tornado in New Orleans.
Yeah, apparently the 9th Ward is still bad from Katrina.
Yeah.
How long ago was Katrina now?
2005. It's so fucked. And dude, you could probably still see.
That's 17 fucking years ago.
You could probably still see the plywood and the spray paint marking the dead bodies.
Holy fuck. I know you can still see like blue tarps on houses.
Yeah. I know like 3 years ago. Yeah, whenever I went to Mardi Gras, I remember, I don't know where the fuck I was. I was really fucked up during Mardi Gras in NOLA 3 years ago. And I remember seeing the plywood and the shit and the houses still being fucked up.
That blows my mind.
Yeah.
Like,
but anyway, we had fucking windstorms. Texas had a bunch of tornadoes. And apparently, this is from the perspective of another car watching the tornado hit down. And, well, you're about to see what.
Yeah, this fuck. I've never seen something like this.
That's fucking.
Except for maybe in a movie.
I was just about to say that. Only in an action movie would this happen, like Fast and Furious 10.
Or like a James Bond movie. Like something outrageous.
Wait, that shit. Look, there's a fucking truck in it. There's a fucking truck. It just.
That's crazy.
The truck.
Spinning on its
Yeah,
side.
it's spinning on its side.
Landed on his fucking wheels.
And then he just sat there for a second. Said, "Am I good? Am I good? Did I shit myself?" And then he, yep.
Look at him.
Oh my god.
Imagine being in that truck, bro.
I just love.
The fuck off. That's the best Chevrolet commercial ever. Oh my god, like a fucking rock.
That's why you buy GM, motherfucker. That's why you buy GM. Stop buying this shit Toyota.
That dude played this video for your advertisement.
I'm saying. I was trying to. Did you see that meme of? I think it's that England turning whatever waterway green because of St. Patrick's Day, and below that it said the fish waking up in the morning. And it was just green everywhere.
Yo.
What the fuck?
Yo, bro. Is it fucking 5 p.m., bro? I slept all day, bro. It's like, yo, you go to work? Nah. Oh, man.
You guys are working?
Oh, my God. I think I got another weather video, actually. We're back after the break, by the way. Morgan got another line of LASIK.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh my god.
Amazing. Oh, see the okay. So I did put it in here. This is the tornado near 9th Ward and NOLA.
Holy shit, dude!
Look how scary that is, man.
Crazy. I've never seen something like that in Louisiana.
That's in New Orleans, bro.
Not a tornado. I've never seen a tornado.
Me neither. I've seen a water spout forming while we were driving on the Pontchartrain, but nothing like that, bro.
I've seen like
that's ripping through the 9th Ward.
Yeah, I've seen like 3 water spouts in the Gulf before.
That's scary.
Like while we were on a boat.
That's so scary to me.
Like 3 of them.
That's
at the same time.
That would scare the shit out of me.
I wasn't freaking out because I could see land.
Yeah.
And I knew if I could see land, I don't give a fuck how tired I am. I know I can make it back.
I'm gonna make that shit.
I'm making it back.
I'm making it, bro. I ain't dying, bitch.
I know I can make that shit. If I can fucking see land, I know I can make it.
Fuck, bro.
But-
It's just the sheer, like...
Like going deep sea fishing? Nope. Keep it. Nope. I'm not drowning. Nope. I'm not drowning. I swear to God.
Stop.
I drowned in one of my past life, and that's why I'm so terrified of like deep water.
What's that game?
Subnautica.
Yeah.
Oh, I followed mechanophobia, something like that on Reddit.
Yeah.
And they've got some fucking pictures, and I'm like, y'all are fucking maniacs, man.
Dude,
Especially these like deep sea welders.
No.
Yeah, I saw one get attacked by a shark, a welder, and he was like, "Nope, no, I'm good. You in the shark's house. That's why he bit you."
I don't know why dude. It explains why I got so scared in Subnautica. There was so many times where I was actually scared and like I had to stop because my heart rate was just.
I can't do water.
Because like I'll go all the way down and it's just like all quiet and you can't see anything around you, and then all of a sudden you can look up and see like a big fucking shadow coming to. Nah.
You in a different dimension in the water, man.
Nah, dude, you are.
You're in a different dimension in the water, man.
Fuck that.
That's the closest thing you can actually get to seeing a real dimension, besides smoking DMT. Because you can go up, down, left, and right in water.
DMT and deep sea fishing.
Yeah. Could you imagine being a fish? Like you float your entire life. You can go up, down, left, or right.
You have free reign.
My ass is stuck down.
Yeah, dude, you can just fucking float and just do whatever the fuck you want. Just zoom.
And if you're like a dolphin, you fuck with everything.
You rape.
That too. Yeah,
Dolphins are rape.
Yeah, you can. Well,
Dolphins are fucking rapists, man.
they rape. Yeah, don't. I do know they fuck around with pufferfish.
Mm-hmm. Like for fun.
Yeah,
They like bully them.
because it gets them high. He's like, "Come here, you little fucker." I'm gonna rub your ass against my nose. Come here, you little bitch. You make me feel funny. Come here.
Yo, dude.
Did you put your nose in that pufferfish's butt? Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you? Go do it. I swear to God. Try it out.
And then they see what Kenny saw whenever he got the cat piss in his face.
Big titties. Tig old bitties.
Boobage.
That's it.
Boobage. All right, I don't know what order I have the rest of the shit in. I just know that the last video, I'm going to stop talking about it.
Didn't think that was McDonald's chicken nuggets and fries on my plate.
What?
Cause I know you
Is that
thought it was.
vegan?
Stop gaslighting me. You don't know what I was thinking.
He's so unamused.
It's like, listen here, bitch.
Stop gaslighting me. You don't know what I was thinking.
Motherfucker.
Play it again.
Fucking bitch.
Didn't think that was McDonald's chicken nuggets and fries on my plate. Cause I know you thought it was.
Stop gaslighting me. You don't know what I was thinking.
He's so fucking serious. It's like
He's so unamused.
he thinks that that lady was specifically talking to him, and he was responding to her like, "Bitch, you don't fucking know what I'm thinking."
She was talking to him.
He's responding to her.
Exactly. She got the response. Stop gaslighting him. You don't know what that motherfucker was thinking?
Stop gaslighting me, bitch.
That's right, lady.
Lady.
Let me tell you twice, lady.
Went outside.
What the fuck?
Let me preface this a little bit. So,
Nah.
one of the boys on boys' night got did a little side quest with a lady, and they were caught right after fucking in a car.
Is it a lady or is it a ladette?
We'll let you decide.
Okay. I may have to explain what I mean by ladette.
I think
Ladette.
I know what you mean.
Okay.
Went outside. All the way. Show you.
Yeah, I got a problem.
Oh!
Y'all got a problem? He's dying. Oh! Dude. Is that what you meant? Dude, you know who that looks like? That looks like that fucking tranny from Trailer Park Boys. You know what I'm talking about?
I forget his name.
Oh shit, dude! I'm putting a side by side comparison.
God damn it. Donna
from fucking Trailer Park Boys. It's exactly who that is.
I want this one. You got to do this one.
Y'all got a fucking problem?
Man.
That's great.
You know, honestly, at this point in my life, if I could get some booty, I'd be fine.
There you go.
I'd be fine. Not with that though.
Get some Donna booty.
Not Donna booty, but whatever that booty is.
Y'all got a problem? Booty.
Honestly, at that point, no. At this point in my life, no.
It's just the voice, man. Come on, don't talk like that. Stop having that. Hear the fucking.
And he's so just.
Dude, he is covering his face.
I got a problem.
Dude, you know they joked about that until they all passed out that night.
Oh, no doubt.
That was never leaving the conversation.
Listen to his exhale.
He's gasping for air. He laughed until no more oxygen could come out.
No more breath in him.
Oh, man.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh,
That
okay.
was chaotic. Oh, I seen this.
This is somewhat along the lines. Here, you want some booty? Get some booty.
No, I'm okay. I'm following this guy. I'm following this guy. Let's roll it. Because I'm following him.
Oh, no. Oh. Oh!
I love how he's just out. Hey, did you notice this? Because I saw this on Reddit. So, check this out. So, as soon as the second he walks away, the music stops. The second he walks away from this chick, the music stops. Listen. The DJ stopped the music.
No. That's part of the song.
No, the DJ, you can hear him in the background saying, "Y'all
Hold on.
Yeah.
No, that's a part of the song.
Oh, that's a part of the song?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Yeah.
Man, I thought the DJ had cut the music.
That would be fucking
Because the
funny
the
as
caption
shit.
on Reddit was, even the song knew it was time to go.
Dude, that is like the most perfect coincidence that you could have.
I mean,
that's like the stars aligning and everything saying, get the fuck away from that. Dude, she's licking the inside of your ear, bro. Fuck that.
I mean, I'd be okay with that from someone, you know.
Not with meth mouth, bro.
Correct.
Dude,
I'd be okay with a 10 doing that.
She's got like crystals on the tip of her tongue, bro. Oh my god.
That
dude, and she
whenever
like
I first
burped.
saw that,
She's like,
no, she was like growling, like
okay, I don't even
like sexual prowess.
I would rather her burp.
I don't know, one's just as bad as the other.
Dude, look at that. God.
And she probably thinks, oh yeah, this motherfucker's coming home with me. I'm gonna get some young dick.
That's traumatizing.
That's fucking traumatizing. I'm not that desperate. I'm following suit. I'm out. OUT.
I'm out.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. O-U-T. Out. Motherfuck.
Forget everything you know.
Okay, so there's this new trend on the top. Everybody's been making fun of this girl's video and then just cutting it. Okay, let's just roll it because I made a rendition of it on the TikTok, on the TikTok channel.
Forget everything you know.
So the original video,
That's all they play off of.
yeah,
Forget
the original
everything you know?
video goes like through like a full tutorial, and then everybody's cutting it to where it's just forget everything you know, and it's just, and then I did a rendition of it.
Please tell me it's on here.
Click
Is it
next.
at the end?
Click next.
Forget everything you know.
A beanbag, an ottoman. I mean, you gotta have furniture here, period. The actual living room in a house is very important because that's where.
You look fucking possessed.
Pause it. We have reached the end. And this video is gold. The
Daddy Lalo.
yeah, this is a video of Daddy Lalo. So please read me the comment that he's stitching or replying to.
Want me to braid your hair, culito? Your culito hairs again, gatos wangas. So do you understand what she's asking him right now?
No, I don't.
Do you want me to braid your ass hairs again?
That makes it even funnier. Okay, watch his reaction.
I want to preface this a little bit more. So culo is the male pronunciation of ass or butt, whatever. So she's saying right here, culito. Whenever you put ito at the end of a word in Spanish, it signifies little. So she's saying, you want me to braid your little ass hairs again?
You're making it funnier and funnier because I know what's about to happen. And I don't know if it's going to be funnier for you because you're prefacing it and you haven't seen it. All right, let's just
play it. Let's just roll it. Daddy Lalo, here we go.
He looks like he's going to cry.
Forget everything.
I've never seen him so fucking dumbfounded and so
He looks like he's about to start crying.
he can't even say anything, bro. Oh my god.
Let's translate some of this. I want to see what Nagatos mangas means. Oh, son of a fuck, you might be having internet problems again.
Oh, fucking amazing.